Big Bow Customs here. Got a broken exhaust on an Ol S10. So I think we're gonna take the opportunity to put a not so true dual exhaust. You already had to cut it from this pipe. So now we're gonna cut some more off of this one. Shoot it back here. And then we'll cut on these flanges. We'll either run them straight out the back, or take them out the sides. Alright, so this is where we're kind of at now. So we got the pipe all cut up. Kind of sit under here like so. Figure out where we want it. Try to make it look somewhat even. I think we'll stick it out like that. So do some more cutting, figure out where to tack this up at, and then see where we're gonna go from there. Alright, here's our next step on where we are. So, we've got it coming out for each side out of our single exhaust with our UnTrue dual. I think we're going to cut on this one and then figure out some tips. And we've got bit of a gap to fill here, so we'll do some gap welding per usual, and think about doing our special Big Bow custom exhaust tips on there. So let's get to it. Got our dual pipes welded into place. This guy's angled a little far up, so we'll either have to cut it over here to get it angled back down, or see if this pipe can move at all to kind of even this out. So yep, got to figure out what direction we're going with there. Then we'll do the tips and get our final welds welded to the pipe, and start it up, see how she sounds. to some more cutting and welding. Kind of got this guy more evened out. Able to get him sitting a little bit better. Might shave a hair off of this guy. And then throw our tips on after we get them made. Weld it up. Get her started. Alright, so this is the metal graveyard. This is where we'll find what we're going to use for our tips. So we've got something there. It's probably a bit too small for what we're looking to do. Something kind of like that, guys, what we're looking for. Got an old tip here. Here we go. I think this is what we want right here. All right, so we got the first part of our tip. We got it cut and tore apart off camera. So this is the baffle inside of the resonator. And then it's also got that insulation in there. It quiets down the sound. So we're using it for a tip. So cut all that out. Need to shape it on the grinder. Maybe find something to convert these sizes to. That's basically what we're doing for tips right now. Looks a little funny at the moment, but get that one done and weld it up and get her going. Alright, moment of truth, kind of got them set up. Everything's mostly welded up. Maybe need a bracket for over here somewhere if we can find one. Probably over here too. But for now, let's get a startup going. Hear how she sounds. And keep on rolling.